class, how are you?
Yeah, fine.
Okay, have a seat. So, today we are going to continue with our lesson on Unit 2, which is friction force and Newton's law of motion. So I'm going to display here some pictures and you will investigate it. So I hope everyone is seeing here clearly. On this picture, I'm asking you, what do you see on these pictures? Let's tell them.
I'm seeing a ball, a football.
Yes, right.
I'm seeing a boy who is riding a bike.
Oh, yes, please. A guy in the car. So, question 2. What does the passenger move towards in this picture? Why does the passenger moves forward? When a car gets, what does passenger moves forward? Yes, tell me.
The reason why passenger move forward is because the car has an engine, and the engine pushes the car forward.
Push the car forward. You have an idea?
Yes, it's because I think it's because he is accelerating forward. Accelerating his car forward.
Yes, you are right. The question is, why does the football stay still before kicking? Why does the football stay still before it being kicked? Yes, Peter.
I think it's because no force is acting on that ball or kick it.
Yes, there is no force acting on it. Anyone who have a different idea? Then question 4, why does the bicycle keep moving for some distance when this guy stopped pedaling? Why does it keep moving forward some distance? Why he didn't pedaling? Yes, Peter.
I think if there was a force exactly before, which accelerating that bicycle to a given distance.
To a given distance. Thank you. Another? Yes, Doctor.
I think the bicycle will keep moving, and since there is air where he is walking, air pushes him back, and then starts to decrease. His motion starts to decrease.
Okay, thank you. From this observation, what do you think we are going to deal with? Okay, can you tell us?
Yeah, according to what I see, on my own, I see it's like the movement.
Movement.
Yeah.
Another one. Yes, Doctor.
I think we are going to see why some objects keeps non-accelerated.
Why some objects keeps spinning? Tell us.
Yes, I think I'm going to study the laws of motion.
Laws of motion. Yes. There is another one who have any idea? Yes, France.
Friction force.
Friction force. guys, we are going now to study on the Newton's first law of motion. The lesson of today is Newton's first law of motion. So I want So here are lesson objectives. By the end of doing this unit, learners should be, all of you should be able to do this. To state Newton's first law of motion, demonstrate and explain inertia through physical activity and giving real life examples. That is our lesson objectives of today. So I want you, as a scientist, to perform this experimental activity. I want to bring learners in front. You perform this activity, then we discuss. Two brave learners, just come in. So this one, we are requiring the yes, that's not bad. This man is going to stand still here in the front, and this girl gently push this man just slowly. Turn around. We are going to watch this and you just push. Move. Don't resist. No. Just try to move. Yeah. No. Yes. That is enough. From what you observed here, this body was going forward and arrow was acting in some observation. Why did Mr. Gilbert start to move? Yes, France.
Because there is a force that pushes.
There is a force that pushes him. Another one. So, question 2, why did the body continue moving at short distance? This?
Because the force which turned to one object will not break down.
Will not?
Okay.
Thank you. Yes, ma'am.
Because the force applied on that object gives it any acceleration.
Gives it any acceleration.
Yes.
What made the runner stop? If we try to move it at some speed, what will make him stop? If we move some distance. Yes.
I think he can stop without any force which is possible to stop him. There is any force which aims to stop him.
Okay, perhaps stop him. For application activity, requiring to treat this activity and work in pairs. Decide whether the Newton's first law to each situation. States that the body at rest remain at rest and the body in motion continue to execute that motion in a straight line if there is no external force acting acting on it. This is what Newton discovered on the first law. So we are going to proceed with the application activity from what we saw. Newton have discovered that if a body is in motion, it continues to be in motion unless there is an external force applied on it to change its state of motion. So we are going to work on this in pairs, decide whether the Newton's first law apply to each situation and explain why. Situation A, a shopping cart stops moving immediately after its foot pushing it. So in pairs, discuss. So I hope all you are done. Any volunteer can share with us on the situation one. Anyone will share with us? Is whether Newton's first law applies to each situation. The number one, the shopping cart stops moving immediately after you stop pushing it. While pushing it, after gently you move first, it stops. Is it Newton's first law there to apply?
No.
Yes, sir.
Yes, I think that it applies.
Right?
Because that shopping cart will stop moving immediately. Because there is no external force which will cause it to remain in that motion. That's why it will apply.
Thank you. The second one, the book is placed on the table and remain at rest, even no one touches at it.
Yes. It
No one
applies.
touches. It applies. Why? Anyone? Second, give us an idea.
Yes. As you have seen, I've seen that the law of first law says that when there is no force applied to an object, we remain at rest. So, as it is at rest and no force applied to it, it will also remain at rest. I mean that book. Yeah.
Thank you. Give him. A coin is placed on a card resting on the table of glass. When the card is quickly placed sideways, the coin drops straight into the glass. Who is able to share with us? So on this, if the coin is placed on the
Placed on the table and remain at rest, even when no one touches on it. Then when you take a book and then you place to the table, there is no external force acting on it. These books remain at rest because there is an external force acting on it. Yes.
Thank you. Yes. It's correct because when a coin is placed on that stock of cards, when you apply force, it resists. First, it resists to change its state of being at rest. Then, because of applied force, by pulling the sideways, the coin drops straight into the glass. Thank you for activation in this application activity. Here is a homework to be submitted. Next session. Give the C examples of Newton's first law for your daily life and explain each in 2 two sentences. This will be submitted next session. Thank you for participating in this session.
Thank you.